Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register Anthem Blue Cross Portal enrollment guide step by step clearly. To begin the registration process, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Anthem Blue Cross website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the home page. Look for the Login or Register button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the Register button. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, you need to enter your personal information. Start by entering your first and last name. Next, provide your date of birth as prompted. Fill in your email address. Ensure you use a valid email that you can access. Now, create a username for your account. Your username should be unique and easy to remember. Enter a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by typing it again in the designated field. Next, enter your member ID if you have one. You can usually find your member ID on your insurance card. If you do not have a member ID, look for an option that allows you to proceed without it. After filling in all required fields, read the terms and conditions. Once you fully understand them, check the box to agree. Now, click on the Submit button to complete your registration. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox to find the confirmation email from Anthem Blue Cross. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Anthem Blue Cross homepage. This time, click on the Login button. Enter your newly created username and password. Click Login to access your Anthem Blue Cross portal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.